Hello everyone, like you can see, my name is Jan Jomande. I'm 18 years old and I'm playing for Leipzig in Germany. And I want to talk about something special in USA. When I was in USA in 2022, I went there to one academy. My coach was studying and I had a good experience with him because he showed me a lot of things. How can I manage my emotion? Because I was very nervous. I was young, I was living far away to my family, to my friends, so it was very difficult for me. I want to say thank you, Mr. Todd, for everything you showed me on the pitch, but more outside of the pitch, because like I said, you showed me a lot of things. How can I do to be more professional outside of the pitch? Every time I was spending with you was special for me. You are a very, very good person. Working with you was special for me. You teach me a lot of things. Like I said, every time was special for me. Every time spending together was special for me. Thank you for the work. Thank you to be inside to my success today. And everything you showed me, keep improving me. For that, I want to say thank you from this message. I hope to see you soon. You are a very good person. So I hope one day you will have a kid. Say hello to your family for me. Hello to everyone there. And from this message, I want to say thank you again. Thank you, Mr. Todd.